Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import an XML file on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device. And once you open it up, you can proceed with opening any of your old projects, or you can create a new one by tapping on the plus icon. Now from the home page, tap on Templates at the bottom right corner and you will see the Upload an XML file option. Go ahead and tap on the Upload button, and now you will be allowed to browse your device for an XML file that you would like to add onto your video project. Just browse through your directories and then choose this XML file, and once you open it up, it will be added onto your new project right away. You can then start editing with this new XML file that you have just imported. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to import an XML file on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.